In today's video, we are going to be seeing how to make a step-by-step insert pillow cover from existing or old clothes. In this case, it's a maxi dress. So for sturdy, because we're using an old one, I'm giving 2 layers of stitches. And what is this insert pillow cover? It is nothing but a pillow cover that we will put inside as a first layer before we put the new pillow cover on top. It's like putting 2 layers of pillow covers so that there is no stains or anything, or the oil seepage is taken care of. Now let's see how we do this insert pillow cover, because if you see in this outer case, there is an extended frill kind of a thing which we are not going to be doing. So this is my old used maxi, and normally we sweat in the upper half, so this is where the wear and tear happens. And I'm a person who does not believe in putting things into landfill, and so we are DIY people. And in the second half, which is the lower half of this maxi dress, is where we are going to be using. Even to recheck if that is sturdy and if it is not in a wear and tear mode, this is how I'm going to pull and stretch and check if I can really use this material. Will it, because I'm going to be spending time now to stitch this, will it give me the kind of output for another few months and years together? So this will. So this is another old pillow cover, the external pillow cover. If you see, this is how you will get it in the market as well. And I think the first thing that they taught us was in sewing classes, how to make the different kind of pillow covers, inserts, with frill kind of things outside and all those things. So we're not going to do those things because this video is going to be for us who don't have inch tape. I don't know how to use an inch tape, how to figure out what kind of pillow covers I have to cut, what length, what breadth. So all we're going to do is just flatten out the maxi dress, check from 2 sides of the maxi dress, just layer one on top of the other, because 2 sides are already there. We're just going to keep them. If you're a person who uses all these non-cotton material, then you definitely need an iron box to flatten out the cloth. Place one on top of the other, leave half an inch or thumbnail equivalent to just give the stitching, and then cut one side. That's it. So the other 2 sides we are going to stitch. One open end is going to be there to put the pillow inside this insert pillow cover. That's it. Ta-da! Okay, what about I don't have a sewing machine? You can always do tacking, ideally I would suggest a tacking means with a blanket stitch, or just a back stitch. 2 layers of back stitch is good enough. So this kind of 2 layers, when you put, the pillow is also being taken care of from oil and other things. You just need to remove it, put it in your washing machine and clean it up. For more such DIY ideas, I will leave those playlists in the description box below saying